If you're managing the grounds at a commercial facility, you know weeds don't care about your budget or your schedule. They'll pop up wherever and whenever they want. But not all herbicides are built the same. So today we're breaking down the 3 most common types: granular, liquid, and aerosol, so you can pick the right one for your site and stop wasting money on the wrong stuff. First up, aerosol. It's the most convenient spray and go solution. Best for small jobs, hard to reach spots, and emergency cleanup. How it works: it comes ready to use. Just aim and spray. Pros: no mixing, easy storage, clean and fast. Cons: not cost effective for large areas, and it's more of a quick fix tool. Think of aerosol as your weed control pocket knife. You're not clearing acres with it, but it'll get those pesky weeds in hard to reach areas quickly and easily. Next up, liquid herbicides. This is your strongest, most effective solution for weeds that consistently give you headaches. It's best for spot treating weeds in cracks, around curbs, and landscaping beds. Here's how it works. It can be pre-emergent or post-emergent, meaning it can stop weeds before they grow or kill them after they show up. Here are the pros. It's precise, easy to apply, and faster visible results. The cons: it needs a sprayer, it might drift if it's windy, and if it's a concentrated version, you've got to mix it right. Here's the bottom line. The liquid's great when you've got a specific area to hit and want those weeds gone yesterday. Granular herbicides come in little pellets that you spread across the ground. They'll provide complete coverage for bigger areas. It's best for large open areas like gravel lots, fence lines, and walkways. How does it work? It stops weeds before they even sprout, and it will work to kill weeds after they've sprouted as well. The pros are that it covers big areas fast, it's long-lasting. But here are the cons. It needs moisture to activate, rain or irrigation, and can be a pain in windy conditions. If you've got a lot of ground to cover and don't want to be back out there next week, granular might be your go-to. Now that you can determine the best herbicide for your needs, visit www.stateindustrial.com and hit the Contact Us button to speak to a representative and keep weeds and overgrowth away from your facility for good.